Hi there, this is Becky Berg, and I am really excited to share with you a problem-solving bingo activity that really works well to get kids in, solving problems, working independently. Oftentimes in a station is how teachers have used this. And what I really like about it is because of the bingo card, it's a self-checking activity. So if students get an answer that is incorrect and it's not on their bingo card, that's an indicator that they need to take another look, solve it once again or in another way. So Josh Monson at Washington Elementary implemented this activity, and so he has provided video and examples so that you can see what it looks like. So let's go ahead and take a look. First of all, as you can see, the tiny URL listed here will take you to the directions that I'm going to go through in this little video, as well as any templates that you might need. All right, so the first step is teacher prep. Basically, you need 16 word problems or math problems. Can be taken from your Go Math book or from the K-5 activities. They have a lot of problems listed. I've had teachers that have taken literally perhaps a problem-solving page from Go Math, chopped it up, put letters on it to label each problem. And the K-5 activities also have some great problems that you can pull from. So get some purposeful math problems that you want your students working on, and then you create a randomized list of those answers. So we'll see that here in the video. So step one is have the students use the answer list and make a randomized bingo card. Then you will have copies at station, or you can put it up on the document camera if you want them to create their bingo cards as a whole group. So let's take a look. So after students have created their bingo card, and you can see that these students were working as partners, and so you can either have students solve these problems independently or collaboratively work with a partner. For example, step two, students now need to choose a card, and they don't need to go in ABC order of these cards. They choose a card, they solve it, and I typically have them put the letter down. So if it's card B, they put B and they show their thinking, and then I collect that with the bingo cards. So once they solve it, they find the answer on their bingo card and they cross it out and they write the letter B in that corner of that particular box on the bingo card.
How many cups of nuts are needed in all flavors? 7. Then my answer would be 5, 8. Yeah, it's 5 and 5/8 on there. Yeah, I got it.
So let's sit and then write D.
D.
Or A, sorry.
There we go.
As you can see, then students continue to work, and the goal is to get a bingo. The ultimate goal or the ultimate level to reach is to get a blackout on your card. So a lot of times teachers will put up a corner on the whiteboard where students can put their name if they got a bingo or if they got a blackout, just so that they can be recognized and kind of celebrate that accomplishment. Also, oftentimes at the end of station time or after they've been working, we talk about the strategies they're using, the tools to solve these problems. It's the perfect way to discuss strategies because we can't really talk about answers because not all students have solved the same problem. So it does end up being a really great conversation. Here's another good way that you can think about wrapping up the problem-solving bingo. As students finished solving these problems and getting a bingo and a blackout, students then were asked by Mr. Monson to choose one letter that they had solved and describe in detail the strategy you and your partner chose in order to find the sum or the difference. Did your group use the same strategy all throughout, or change as you came across different questions? So really having them reflect on strategies they use based on the fractions they were dealing with. Really bringing the math into the conversation, giving kids time to reflect, write, discuss what they had just experienced. So just a great closing wrap up. All right, so I hope that the examples from Mr. Monson and his fifth graders, along with the information and this tiny URL link, will be helpful to you if you decide to utilize this structure. So thanks for your time and have a great day.